Antarctica is Earth's southernmost continent, containing the geographic South Pole. It is situated in the Antarctic region of the Southern Hemisphere, almost entirely south of the Antarctic Circle, and is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. At 5.4 million square miles, it is the fifth largest continent in area after Asia, Africa, North America, and South America. About 98% of Antarctica is covered by ice that averages at least 1 mile in thickness. More than 170 million years ago, Antarctica was part of the supercontinent Gondwana. Over time, Gondwana gradually broke apart, and Antarctica as we know it today was formed around 25 million years ago. The name Antarctica means opposite to the Arctic, and is on average the coldest, driest and windiest continent, and has the highest average elevation of all the continents. Antarctica is considered a desert, and temperatures in Antarctica have reached minus 89 degrees Celsius or minus 129 degrees Fahrenheit, the lowest temperature ever to be measured on Earth. There are no permanent human residents, but anywhere from 1,000 to 5,000 people reside throughout the year at the approximately 70 research stations that are scattered across the continent. These stations are maintained by about 30 countries. Only cold-adapted organisms survive here due to a combination of freezing temperatures, poor soil quality, lack of moisture and lack of sunlight, and the only vegetation where it occurs is tundra. The first confirmed sighting of the continent is commonly accepted to have occurred in 1820 by the Russian expedition of Fabian Gottlieb von Bellinghausen and Mikhail Lazarev on Vostok and Mirny. The continent, however, remained largely neglected for the rest of the 19th century because of its hostile environment, lack of resources and isolation. The Antarctic Treaty was signed in 1959 by 12 countries, and to date 49 countries have signed this treaty. The treaty prohibits military activities and mineral mining, prohibits nuclear explosions and nuclear waste disposal, supports scientific research and protects the continent's ecozone. Apart from the continent's mineral resources, Antarctica is abundant in sea life, including penguins, blue whales, orcas, colossal squids and fur seals. The emperor penguin is the only penguin that breeds during the winter in Antarctica, while the Adelie penguin breeds farther south than any other penguin. The rockhopper penguin has distinctive feathers around the eyes, giving the appearance of elaborate eyelashes. King penguins, chinstrap penguins and gentoo penguins also breed here. The long-tailed gentoo penguin is easily recognised by the wide white stripe extending like a bonnet across the top of its head and its bright orange-red bill. They have pale whitish-pink webbed feet and a fairly long tail, the most prominent tail of all penguins. Chicks have grey backs with white fronts. As the Gentoo penguin waddles along on land, its tail sticks out behind, sweeping from side to side. It calls in a variety of ways, but the most frequently heard is a loud trumpeting, which is emitted with its head thrown back. Adult Gentoos reach a height of 20 to 36 inches, making them the third largest species of penguin after the two giant species, the emperor penguin and the king penguin. They are the fastest underwater swimming penguins, reaching speeds of 36 kilometers an hour. In the water, sea lions, leopard seals and orca are all predators of the Gentoo. Skua can steal their eggs. However, some other seabirds have also managed to snatch their young. Antarctica has no government, although various countries claim sovereignty in certain regions. While a few of these countries have mutually recognised each other's claims, the validity of these claims is not recognised universally. Ongoing experiments are conducted by more than 4,000 scientists from many nations. An Orthodox church, Trinity Church, opened in 2004 at the Russian Bellinghausen station, is also manned year-round by one or two priests, who are similarly rotated every year. Each year, a large area of low ozone concentration, or ozone hole, grows over Antarctica. This hole covers almost the whole continent and was at its largest in September 2008, when the longest lasting hole on record remained until the end of December. It is our collective duty as newly appointed ambassadors to this frozen land to help conserve our beautiful planet. And after a brief yet educational visit to this magical place on Earth, at the very bottom of our planet, we can no longer pretend that Antarctica is the forgotten continent.